Alright, no? Okay, napunta, dali napunta sa work problem. Alright? Work problem ta, guys. Ato yung banatan ng word problems. Ang word problems, magudahan kayo siya. Age problem, work problems, digest problems, clock problems, pero mo yung mga paborito din sa examiner ng mga sama ni work problems. Alright, no? Kay kani magungam inani nga mga problem bani kuan siya ng training, alright, no? Now, a work problem, a group of 8 workers can complete the job in 12 days. Mo ni problema, if they work for 6 days, and then 4 more workers join. Now, how long will it take the new group to finish the job? So, both possible, pimhirong malura sila, dahil nadungagan. Alright? Nadungagan. So, inanak nila sa trabaho na madungagan, makuhaan, di ba? So, alright, sa trabaho, no? Pag naay, karon unong, dayon, pagkaugma, mawala, mabsit ang duha, dayon, madungagan, ugupat, di ba? Inana ang scenario. Alright, sama ni, no? Alright? So, a grade of 8 workers can complete the job in 12 days. Then, if they work for 6 days, and then 4 more workers join, how long will it take the new group to finish the job? Alright, no? Ang atong solution inani. Number 1, calculate the total work. Alright? Calculate the total work. Pimhiro, ang calculate the total work, okay, this, inani ha, total work, calculate, pimhiro gamitin na to, solution. Okay, solution. Alright, calculate the total work, calculate the total work, right? Calculate the total work. Alright, calculate the total work by total work. Kali total work ha, total work. So, kali total work is equal to, what is total work? 8 workers, sa primero, ang primero, 8 workers can complete a job in 12 days. So, 8 workers. Okay? So, 8 workers times 12 days. So, kani 12 days. So, 8 times 12, 96, no? 96 worker days, no? 96 worker days. Alright? Next move. Alright? Kuha na nato. Kining diri na ta. So, okay na ta diri, di ba? Okay na ta diri. Next, if they work for 6 days, kaya nadungagan man sila, nidugang na may join, if they work for 6 days, and then for more workers join, now, work done. Step 2 na to, step 2 kani is number 1. Number 2 is work done by the team in the first 6 days. Work done by the team in the first 6 days. Alright, no? In the first 6 days, work done by the team in the first 6 days. Work done by the team and the first 6 days. Alright? In the first 6 days, di ba? Work done by the team in the first 6 days. In the first 6 days. So, work done. Alright. So, work done is equal to work done, 8 worker, kaya 8, di kan sa primero, ang sinugdanan, 8, ang sinugdanan, ang primero nila, 8 sila, dayon, alright, 8 workers, 8, alright, 8 workers, times 6 days, 6 days. So, 8 times 6 is 48, di ba? 48 worker days. Alright? Yeah, okay. Mananatastik sa manatadiri. Workers is so manatadiri. Alright? Manatadiri ha. Okay. Next, ang remaining work. Alright? Next, number 3, remaining work. Remaining work. Remaining work. So, remaining work. Ang remaining work, result sa primero, katong 8 times 12, 96 days, i-minus mo sa work done. So, meaning to say, ang remaining work is calculated, katong na-calculate na to, na total work minus work done. Mauna yung remaining work, di ba? Remaining work ha, kani remaining work. So, remaining work is, alright, total work minus work done. Di ba? Okay. Alright. Remaining work is equal to total work, okay, alright, step 1, minus the work done, alright? Alright, the remaining work na to is, ang total work na to is 98. 98 worker days minus 48, di ba? 48 minus, pila? Minus 48 worker days. Alright? Diba? So, answer. Pila? 948. Now, right? Wala pa. Patanahaman. Kaya ang pangutana, how long will it take the new group to finish the job? Kaya nadungagan man sila o upat. Nadungagan man og upat, di lang man walo, nadungagan sila upat, nahimo na silang dusi, di ba? So, ang pangutana, kaya nahimo naman silang dusi, how long will it take the new group, how long will it take the new group to finish the job? Alright, no? So, now therefore, kaya naanakuha naman to ang remaining work, now there are, nadungagan silang upat, dahil nagsugod sa walo, nadungagan sila og upat, pila na. So now, there are 12 workers. Alright, no? Now, there are there. So therefore, kasi ang 8, nadungagan, 8, primero ha, timanan nyo, nadungagan sila upat, nagsugod sila duksi. Alright. Therefore, there are, kay primero nila 12 plus, nadungagan sila upat, 12 workers. 12 workers, di ba? 12 workers, di ba? 12 workers, ang original, kanina 12 workers, maunay sila ang original, original plus new, di ba? Duksi na lang sila, kaya nadungagan na sila upat. So, instead of 6 days, so, nadungagan sila upat, so, mugamay na lang po, pila-pila na lang, mugamay, us-us, pila ka adlaw na lang nila humanon, di ba? So, ay ang pangutana, pagbantayan na, ang pangutana gani, how long, pag how long, counter mo, time ang ipangitaan na. How long will it take na new group to finish the job? Time ang ipangita. Alright, no? Ang time is equal to, time is equal to 48 workers, remaining work divided by the total workers. Remaining work, time. Remaining work, 48 divided by original plus new, 12 workers. So, pila? Kung 48 atong remaining work, 48 worker days, divided by 12 workers. So, 48 divided by 12 is pila? 4. Alright, okay. 4 days. Ano 4 days man? Worker divided by worker. Worker divided by worker. So, ang nahabilin is days, di ba? So, 4 days. So, therefore, ang pangutana is 4 days. Ang tubag. Alright, no? Okay na. Alright, ang explanation in ani. Nakuha na to ang 4 days. Nagsugod ka sa pimhirong santa sa trabahante, 8. Nadungagan sila, nga mahuman na dapat sila og 8, pero mahuman sila og 12. Pero, kung ilahang tabangan, no? Kaya naamay min join, mahimo orang upat. Karon ang hintabo, ilang itabangan, 12 sila tanan, 8 na dungagan og upat na lang kaadlaw nila gihuman. Alright, pero inani ang explanation. We calculated the total work. The work completed during the initial period, and then determined now, determined na to how long it will take the expanded group. Nag-expand sila, kaya nadungagan sila ipat to finish the remaining work. So, 4 days finally. Alright?